MCA bunge-inĩ ya kaunti ya Embu nĩ marĩrĩirie na kũhĩtũkia bajeti ya thirikari ya kaunti ĩno ya mwaka wa kĩgĩna wa 2024-2025.
Bajeti yetu ya Embu County huu mwaka itakuwa ni bilioni 7.310. Hiyo ni bilioni 7,310,000.
Rũhonge rwa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ nĩ rũrũmbũĩtio na njĩra nene bajeti-inĩ ĩno rũgĩthukĩrwo ciringi milioni 498 iria ikũgayanio thibitarĩ-inĩ ciothe.
Tunataka pia hizi hospitali zikishasimama vizuri wana uwezo pia wa kuajiri wafanyikazi, iwe ni cashiers, iwe ni madaktari ambao labda ni nurses on contract basis, wanaweza kulingana na zile needs wako nazo.
Mwena wa gĩthomo ciringi milioni 100 nacio igaĩtwo irĩ cia kũheana basarĩ, no na thukuru cia kothi cia moko no cirũmbũĩtio.
Hiyo imekuwa yote ni 105 million kama basarĩ. Ya pili ni kwamba kwa mambo ya masomo tumeweza pia kuweka 25 milioni 25 kwa mambo ya zile tunaita vocational training centers ama VTCs. Pale nyumbani tunaziita polytechnics.
Itanya rĩrĩa rĩho nĩ kũhota kuongerera mũigana wa magoti marĩa kaunti ĩno ĩrongania kuma ciringi milioni 750 cia mwaka mũthiru nginyagia ciringi bilioni 1.
Wameweza kuimprove on revenue collection kupitia M-Pesa, na vile tumeweza pia kupatia nafasi zetu za hospitali kuokota pesa wakitumia account na paybill. Serikali mwaka huu inanuia kuokota 1 billion ikiwa ndiyo revenue. Hii revenue haimaanishi watu wataongezewa tax. Hapana. Ni vile tu imekuwa ikiokota, itaongeza kuhakikisha ya kwamba kuna accountability. Wale ambao hawalipi kwa sababu moja ama nyingine walipe.
Na pesa ambaye inakusanywa kwa county hii, governor ameweka history. Sababu hapo mbeleni zile tulichukua mingi sana ni 650. Hizo zingine tulikuwa tunasema tutachukua lakini hatujawahi chukua.
Ũhoro wa mathĩna marĩa kaunti ĩno ĩrĩ namo nĩ warĩrĩirio gĩikaro-inĩ gĩkĩ, MCA magĩthingata thirikari ya Governor Mbarire gũtigĩrĩra mathĩna maya nĩ marĩhwo nĩguo kweheria mũrigo wamo gũthiĩ na mbere kuongerereka.
The department concerned and the executive to take pending bills as a menace in this county, because we met a backlog of very many pending bills. We are also in our tenure getting a lot of pending bills. So we would also ask that our people who are in the concerned department, where it is an inspection that is needed, let it be done as up.
I think there was an allocation of 50 million to pay some pending bills, Mr. Speaker, which is not enough, because I know we need much, maybe even thrice that, or more than even thrice, Mr. Speaker. There are so many contractors who have not been paid in this county. Some even have died, Mr. Speaker, without having been paid, Mr. Speaker. And I think in the very near future, Mr. Speaker, this government is going to think around that issue, Mr. Speaker, so that we are able to pay.
Hamwe na ũguo, MCA nĩ matetetie rĩendekithia rĩa President Ruto rĩa kwenda kĩgĩna kĩrĩa thirikari nene ĩgayagĩra kaunti kĩrengwo makiuga kĩgĩna kĩrĩa kaunti ciamũkagĩra nĩ ũndũ ũgathĩkĩtwo watho-inĩ. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.